To discuss all of this and much more, let's bring in CNBC contributor David Zervos. David is a chief market strategist at Jefferies. He is on the list of 11 potential candidates to be Fed chair, to see Jerome Powell. He is the most dressed-up guest we've ever had here at the NASDAQ. It is great to see you, David.
It's great to be here.
Usually you're in a hoodie.
I know.
Exactly.
It's like a full transformation. So.
But I want to talk to you about, first of all, Chair Powell and what he said yesterday in terms of the stock market, because you are very bullish. And what he said yesterday was that stocks are fairly highly valued.
Yeah.
Why is he wrong, in your view? Or is he not?
Look, valuation is one of those things. It's like tasting wine, right? Everybody's got different views. I think there's a lot of ways you can look at the equity market and say we have an incredible earnings outlook ahead of us. We've got an investment horizon that looks incredible based on a lot of the changes that have taken place in the policies, whether it's dereg, whether it's the one big beautiful bill, whether it's tariffs forcing some people to the table to invest more back in the United States, which is a huge positive that I don't think a lot of the models at the Fed are taking into account. So I think there's a lot of reasons to be confident. And one of the reasons, that we've got a headwind a little bit to it, particularly in interest rate sensitive sectors and in the labor market, is that I think monetary policy is just way too restrictive. So I've been saying that for a while. I've been saying it since before the election, and I'm still sticking with it. Happy to see that they kind of have turned a little bit, but we've got a lot more to go.
The turn sounds very cautious, though. I mean, when they call it a risk management technique to cut rates now, it doesn't sound like there's another cut firmly in the books or another, even after the next meeting. I mean, it just doesn't sound like the path is clear there.
Well, look, Jay's got 5 meetings left. He's really not our forward guidance. Our forward guidance is going to be the folks, one of those persons from the 11 that you mentioned, along with whoever takes the Adriana Kugler seat in January, which may be Stephen. He's there for 4 months now. And then the drivers of Mickey Bowman and Chris Waller. So you're going to have 4 folks on the committee, and possibly 5, depending on what happens with Lisa Cook, that I think are going to come at this very differently. They're going to come at it with a supply-side style view, with a view that is very different than the groupthink that has engulfed this Fed for a very long time, but has, I think, become, unfortunately, more political as of late.